Okay, another camping. This is our second camping.
Yes.
Shout out!
Are you guys excited? May shoutout na naman? Who?
Tata Ube.
How about
And
you?
Also, shout out to Tata Lisa. Tata Lisa Liku. Yeah, Tata Lisa Liku.
Okay, so alis na kami. Punta na kami sa camping. Kids. Dito na kami sa site. Kami pa lang nandito. Wala pa si Namark at saka si Dan. Padating na sila. So, explain ko lang saglit. Hindi ito katulad ng last time na magkakasama kami sa isang site. So, bale, ito, tatlo. Ito yung 16, 17, at saka 18. Yon. Tatlo yan, magkakatabi. May kanya-kanya kaming site ngayon. Kasi doon sa last time, isang site lang kami lahat. Pero ngayon, tigi-tigisa na. Yan. Pero magkakatabi pa din. Magkakatabi pa rin kami. Okay. Okay, so ito yung site namin. Ito yung number 16. Oh, tama. 16 site. Yan yung tent. Okay. Tapos dito yung site ni Nadan. Magkakatabi kami. Hindi kami katulad nung last time na magkakasama sa isang site. So kami ngayon, tatlong site to na magkakatabi. Ito yung kinamark. Ito yung mga kapitbahay namin, mga RV. Gaganda.
Mare, ngiti ka naman dyan. Tingin ka naman dito. Wow. Raspberry Mare, isang order.
Chloe, what are you doing, Mama? What are you drinking? What is that?
It's strawberry mixed with water.
Strawberry mixed with water? Nice. How about you, Oli? What are you drinking? Ice? Just ice? And what are you drinking?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, it's dinner time. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga niluluto ng mga to. May ribs tayo dyan. Yan, pampano yan. Pampano. Tapos dito, ang niluluto ni Eseng kaya dito. Ano niluluto mo, babe?
Chicken, fried chicken.
Fried chicken. Fried chicken. Oh. Natin, may ginayat si Michelle dito eh. Yun, mangga. Ayos yan. O, yung mga chikiting, oh.
Eli, they took my iPad.
Just get your chicken there.
I know. Yes! Let's go! Alright!
What's for breakfast? What's this? Ano to, Michelle? Daing? Ano dyan, say? Ano meron dyan? Ha? Sausage and ano to? Chorizo. Oh, nice. Ano yan, be? Pancake.
Pancake.
Ito na yung rice. Ito na yung hinihintay namin. Yan.
Madam, saan tayo pupunta, madam?
We're going to swim. Wow! Ano tayo? Ano meron dyan?
Halo-halo, snow cone, and yung drinks natin.
Ba, kompleto ha. May halo-halo, snow cone, at saka may drinks pa tayo. Talaga naman, camping ba to?
Here.
Okay. O, yan yung yellow.
Yay, ice. Snow cone.
What do you have? What is that? Let me see. Wow.
Leche plan, ube.
Wow. Ako din.
The other end.
Sarap niya na.
It's gonna come out the other end.
Okay. Oh, ha? Special yan, no? May leche plan at ube. Oh, 'di ba? Special.
Okay, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Basti. Happy birthday to you. Go! Yay! Happy birthday, kuya!
Okay, what's for dinner?
Shanghai for the
Lumpiang
kids.
Shanghai for the kids. Tapos mamaya tayo. Mamaya sa adults. Hot pot for our finale dinner. Alright. So, uwian na kami. Guys, say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you until next time.
See you next camping.
See you next camping. Okay. Bye-bye.